Hello everyone, to this new tutorial about how to make hyperlinks in PlayCanvas. So let's get started. So first thing, I made a new project. Okay, I deleted the plan and the box there. So, and here I add a 2D screen first, like this. Here, sorry. So here, user interface 2D screen. Okay. In the 2D screen, I add an entity called HyperLinks, like this. Entity, new entity, like this. After that, I add buttons. This is the Discord button, and this is the Twitter button. Alright. Here, in both of them, in both of the buttons, I delete the texture. Alright, and I add my icons here, this icons. So to make this work, we need a script for both of them. If you look here, it doesn't respond. So let's make a Discord script like this. Discord. Make sure that that you add a script from the new component here. Add component, and there is script. Okay, so let's start on this. So like this code. Okay, here in the initial is code called ons per entity. Here we are going to type like this dot entity dot element dot on means when you click the button. When you click the button, it says click like this. And now let's create a function like this. Like this. Here I'm going to type window dot open Discord. Alright, so let's fix this here and here, and let's save it. Okay, so let's go back. Discord button. That is the script. Let's try it now. Okay, Discord window, open it now. The same thing is for Twitter. Let's go back to Twitter. Here I'm going to add Twitter script like this. Here. Okay, so let's move to the editor code. So here, let's do the same thing. This dot entity, sorry, dot element dot on click. Here, let's make a function like this. Window dot open. Uh, Twitter. Let's go. My profile. Okay, so let's fix this. Control S to save it. Let's check now. Let's refresh first. Okay, everything is working perfectly. So this is the tutorial about how to make hyperlinks in PlayCanvas. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, of course, and I see you in the next video.